This is a little teaser about the Audionaut silver solder, and I just have received this about a week ago, and I'm going to do a review on it, share my experiences, how does Audionaut solder affect the sound. So now I'm just showing the reel, and it's a nice big half a kilo, which is about 1 pound reel of solder, and it's surprisingly similar in consistency to silver itself, and not surprisingly because it has a whopping 6% of silver content. And if you look at it, you may not have noticed that this piece of wire is actually a fine silver wire, and in color it looks extremely close to the Audionaut solder. And actually also in consistency, this Audionaut solder is pretty hard. So it is much harder than any solder I have used for audio, and it's a little something of a positive surprise, and later on I can report that it has a very interesting sound to it. I believe this will be a very interesting review, as I have not seen anyone report much yet on using this solder, and I thought, let's do it. So be prepared. In the next few days I'm going to show and share this review with you. Also, I'm going to share a detailed review on other audio solders, about their chemical composition, why are they different from one each other, what are these elements doing in it. If you look at it, it has tin, silver, copper and antimony in it. And I will analyze other solders too and show you what does what in a solder, so when you get solder for yourself, what to look for and what to expect. Thank you. See you later.